children, let's start with chapter number 7, animation in Scratch.js. Right? Let's study about different animation. First of all, I will tell you what is animation. So, when we can also make some character move, dance, jump and sing on the screen. So, this is called animation. In this chapter, we will learn about animation in Scratch.js. So, let's study about block category. What is block category? There are 6 block categories in Scratch. So let's one by one. What is triggering blocks? So you have to start on the green flag. So start the script when the green flag is tapped. Then start on tap. Start the script when you tap on the correct. Now start to bump. You have to touch by the another character. Then start on message. Start the script whenever a message of the specified color is set. Now send a message of a specified color. Then next is motion block. Then move right, move the character specific number of grid square to the right. Then move left. You have to move the character to the left side. Then move up. The character will be moved with a specified number upward. Then move down. It will move the character specified number of grid square down. Now turn right. You will rotate the character clockwise a specified amount. Turn 12 for full rotation. When you have to do full rotation, you will turn 12. Now rotate left, you have to counter the clockwise characters, right? And then we have hope. Move the character up a specified number of grid square. Then what you have to do, then you have to move again down. Then reset the character location and you have to go to the start position. When you will click on home, you will go to the start position. Next is looks block. Like we have say, grow, shrink, reset. So what is say block? It shows a specified message in a space, right? Then we have grow. It will increase the character size. Then we have shrink. It will decrease the character size. And then reset. It will return the character to the default size. Next is hide. It fades out the character until it is available. Show. It fades the character and until it is fully visible. ठीक है, हाइड में वो इनविजिबल होता है और शो में वो विजिबल होता है. पॉप, इट साउंड ब्लॉक्स पॉप और प्ले रिकॉर्डेड साउंड. You play the pop sound. Now plays a sound recorded by the user. Next is control block. Wait, pause the script for a specific amount of time. You have to stop all the characters and scripts. Set speed changes the rate at which the certain blocks are run. If it repeat, it will runs the block inside how many times you want to repeat it. Now we have end block. It indicates the end of the script, right? When we have repeat forever, you will run the script over and over. Next, we have go to page. It will changes to the specified page of the period. How to move and jump a character. So, you have to create a scene as shown in the figure. Right? This you have to create. Now, then what you will do, let's make the spirit rabbit jump. From the motion block category, you have to drag move right block and keep it in the script area. Now, drag the hop block and snap it with the previous block. To repeat the script, drag the repeat block from the control block category and keep it around the script. Now click on the number displayed in the repeat block. A numeric keypad will be open to the right side of the script area and you will type any number from the numeric keyboard, right? So we can use the start on green flag block from where? From triggering block category and keep it in the beginning of the script. Our script is easy. You will play by clicking on it and it will get play. Right? Now using two character. When you want to use the two character, what are the different steps of adding two character on the stage? So create a new project by clicking on the button on the home screen under my project. Right? You have to go to my project. A new project will be opened. A new project will be opened with tick and the default sprite of Scratch on the stage will be shown. Next is move. Move. Now click on the add new sprite button on the left side of the stage and select another sprite. Click on the tick icon to add tick on the stage. Now adjust the placement of both the sprites. You have to drag them on the stage. Now click on the new background button and you have to select the theater background. From the background list, click on the tick icon, right? Now observe that जो background है आपका stage का वो change हो जाएगा, right? These were the different steps. Hope you understood. Now let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.